So there's the new hub rings, and there's the new pads. I was just about to get started, and then I remembered how terribly loud these brakes are. So I had ordered some CRC brake quiet to put on the back of the pads here, but it hasn't come in yet. I forgot that I'm waiting on that package to get here. So I had good intentions this morning, but I guess I'll pick this back up once that CRC brake quiet gets here. And in addition to the brakes, she's also gonna get some fresh fluid and a new oil change since she's got 2 track days coming up. So I got the wheel pulled off and pulled off the center cap. And you can just see all that adhesive has been melted and cooled. It does not look like it's supposed to. As far as the brakes go, well, my rotors are looking good, no issue there. Calipers are a little scratched up from abuse, but they're hanging in there. I'll have to use the piston spreader before I put the new pads in. That's that little guy. And then these are the old pads. I still have meat on them, but for the track, you have to have like a minimum of like 7 millimeters or something. So I'm gonna pull these shims off of here and then put them on the new pads with some of this so that hopefully it doesn't squeal too loud. So there's the CRC brake quiet on there. I just put a little thin layer on, let it sit for 10 minutes until it gets tacky, and then you take the shims and they clip on top of it. And then you would actually put a little bit of brake quiet on the back where the pistons run into it. All right, well, I got the front brake pads finished up. Just gave her a wash so I can show up to the track looking clean tomorrow, just to turn around and make it filthy and cover it with brake dust. But hey, better to show up looking right and then get a bad time than show up looking bad and get a bad lap time. Oh, my daughter can't go tomorrow, so she was kind enough to give me somebody to keep me company and cheer me on. But no more Weds center caps, just aluminum hub rings since they can handle heat better, and some nice fat new pads in there. It's kind of hard to see with the wheels this way, but plenty of meat. Wish me luck.